Hi, Greg Dorsey here at Leeb.com, Leeb.com. It's Monday, November 22nd. Well, all things considered, it wasn't such a bad day. Stocks started off on the wrong foot, but ended the day mixed with technology shares, materials, and utilities lighting up our screens in green. News from Europe set the tone in the early going today. After steadfastly denying for weeks that it needed support, the Irish government applied for bailout funds from the EU and IMF last night to bolster its ailing banks. The exact size of the bailout is expected to be on the order of 80 billion euros, or about 109 billion US dollars, a figure that represents about 60% of the Irish annual GDP. Ireland is now the second EU member state to ask for a handout, but it's likely not the last. Portugal and perhaps Spain may follow in its footsteps, though we won't offer a timetable as to when. The move prompted Ireland's Green Party to announce that it would resign from the coalition headed by Prime Minister Brian Cowen and his Fianna Fáil party once the government's budget is passed in January. This will force an election that could lead to the downfall of the Cowen government, which came to power in 2008 when the financial crisis was in full swing. And as with the bailout, other governments in Europe are also likely to see changeovers as a result of banking woes. Here at home, the FBI raided several hedge funds looking for evidence of possible insider trading today. The investigation is expected to be broadened in the weeks ahead. The impact on the market, well, that's likely to be minimal, but it's an interesting and developing story. We do have a number of economic data points to be released this holiday-shortened week, including the second estimate of third quarter GDP, consumer sentiments, personal income and spending, housing starts, and durable goods orders. I'm sure I left out a couple things, but those are important ones. As always, all of these could have an impact on the markets, but given the seasonal patterns at this time of year, any surprise is more likely to be on the upside than the downside. Well, that's all for now. Stop by again soon, and we'll have more for you.